Highlights of the KVN Premier League Season 7 is brought to you by
मास कंस्ट्रक्ट।
अपना ड्रीम हाउस बनाए मास कंस्ट्रक्ट साथ क्वालिटी, अफोर्डेबिलिटी और बेस्ट प्राइस में। कॉल करें स्क्रीन पर नंबर पर। एंड बाय धारवाड़ मोटर्स, जहां पर आपको मिले वैरायटी ऑफ व्हीकल्स एट बेस्ट प्राइस।
Good shot. Niranjan Nayak, half stop from the fielder, even though ball went for the boundary. Oh, lovely shot. Watch this. Excuse you, extra cover drive. Just in between the man at mid-off and the man at extra cover. That's a lovely shot. Go straight down the ground. Another boundary. Third boundary in this over. Boundary to finish after 112 run without any loss. Down the track comes Niranjan Nayak. He played it forward mid-off into the boundary. Balled him! The sound of a timber. Oh, good shot, beats the man, I think, at mid-off, into the boundary. Fifth boundary for Niranjan Nayak. He is dealing in boundaries at the moment. Oh, pulls that one to the onside. Wait for the umpire signal. That gone the distance. What a batting this is from Niranjan Nayak. Down the ground again, this time slightly in the air, but in the gap. This will run away to the boundary. Niranjan Nayak playing a scintillating innings. Unbelievable innings. Oh, that's up in the air. Over mid-off. And that has gone all the way for six. That's a lovely shot. Niranjan Nayak continuing hitting. Oh, swept it well. That will run away to the boundary. That's a cheeky. That's clever. Down the leg side ball. Held the ball in its way. Gets the boundary. That's up in the air. This should be taken. Tushar Singh takes the catch. This is a big body blow. Played it on the onside. Look for the run. Direct kick. I think, oh, this could be close. Gone. Both batsmen totally misunderstanding. Yes, no. Miscommunication. Mari Basawa done well. Nicely works away that one to the onside. This could be close. Both batsmen again one side. Would you believe it? Would you believe it again? Nitish Wanikerland. Good shot. Has he got hold of it? He does. That's a lovely shot from Shivam Membe. Outside the off stump. Cuts it well. Gets a boundary. Loose ball from Mohsin Khan. Gets the treatment. Goes on the back foot to play it down the ground. Tamim Hussaini unable to stop the ball. Long chase for the fielder. And that's a boundary. Lazy effort by the both fielders. Oh, good ball. That's a top delivery. And it misses the bat and goat races away to the boundary. In the air. Oh, not carried to the fielder. Tamim Hussaini. Good shot. That's up in the air. And taken. Saurabh Muttur is the catcher. He has got safe pair of hands. Bowled him. Wicket number 6. Mohib Jamadar departs. That's ballooned up in the air and taken. Wicket number 7. MD Kaif departs. Mari Basawa takes the catch. Another wicket goes down for Gangavati Lions. Oh, straight down the ground. Just up beside the umpire and down the ground for the boundary. Very good shot from Pranav Bhatia. Oh, good shot. Cuts it well. Gets a boundary. That's a lovely shot from Pranav Bhatia. That's his second boundary. That's tricky. That's delicate. Oh, that's a good shot. Rohan Ningasani. One bounce over the rope over extra cover. A boundary to end the over. That brings 150 on the board for the Gangavati Lions. 150 comes up. Bowled him. Pranav Bhatia departs. Very good breakthrough by Maribasava. Well bowled. Oh, well bowled. Oh, this could be close. Close and gone, I think. Rohan Ningasani. It looks like a wicket wall is the batsman. Very good presence of mind by Maribasava. Not even in the frame. Now he is in a frame after. Oh, that's up in the air. And taken by Saurabh Muthoor. He takes his second wicket. 151 all out in 19.5 overs. The target is 152 in 20 overs for the Mominpura Masters. 152 is the target. We will be back shortly. Over to the studio. Pulls that one to the onside. This will run away to the boundary. First boundary and a welcome boundary for the Mominpura Masters. Came from the blade of Shivkumar Bayu. Got shot by Mirza Wasim Beg. One bounce over the rope. That's a lovely shot. This time goes over extra cover. Another boundary. Second boundary to Mirza Wasim Beg. That's a good shot. That's up in the air. One. Wait for the umpire signal. That's a boundary signal by the umpire. One bounce over the rope.
Yeah. Catch it.
First wicket goes down. Good shot from Saurabh Muthoor. Finds the gap. Gets a boundary. First boundary for Saurabh Muthoor. Takes the aerial route. Played over cover. Has he taken? Yes, he has. Saurabh Muthoor departs. Very good catch. Good shot. Takes it to the cleaners. That's 6. Oh, want to play a pedal sweep. The ball running away to the boundary. Wait for the umpire signal. Binds and a boundary. Real handy. That's a good shot. Good shot. Oh, missed it altogether. That races out to the boundary. Oh, that's a leading edge. One of the short third man fielders head and into the boundary. Good shot. That caressed that went down the ground. That's a crisply timed by Shivkumar Bayu. Into the boundary. Goes Biggie. That's up in the air. And taken. Tushar Singh departs. This is a big blow. Good shot. Pulls that one over mid-wicket. Oh, put down. Would you believe it? Who is the fielder? Played well. Cuts it well. And the ball running away to the boundary. This is adding a salt to the wound. Saeed Jagirdar goes big. Goes handsome. Way back into the crowd. That's a lovely shot. What a shot from Saeed Jagirdar. Good shot, Saeed Jagirdar. That's 6. Good shot. Played it over long on. That's 6. Shivkumar Bayu. Good shot. That's up in the air. Fielder takes the catch. Vicky Atwal is the catcher. Saeed Jagirdar departs. Good shot. Played it well down the ground. He gets the boundary. That's a Shivkumar Bayu. This time outside edge and into the boundary. Oh, that's again might be a leading edge. It running away to the boundary. As it will be. Boundary signal by the umpire. Played that one over fine leg. That's again leading edge in the air. Wicket go as a, oh boy, very good catch. Rohan Ningasani is the catcher. Oh, good shot, that's clever. That's clever from Vicky Patil. Gets a boundary. Yes, 3 ball, 2 runs needed. Good shot. That's up in the air. And taken by the fielder. That's it. Mominpura Masters. They win this match.
Good evening, Gulbarga. Welcome to the post-match presentation for the KBN Premier League Season 7. It was match number 24, day 12 of non-stop action in the KBN Premier League Season 7. We had Mominpura Masters taking on the Gangavati Lions. The Gangavati Lions winning the toss and elected to bat first, and they got a score of 151 for the loss of 10 wickets, just 1 ball in their 20 overs. So round of applause for the Gangavati Lions, everybody. Exciting batting by Niranjan, the key holder, scoring 42 of 18 balls, 7 fours and 2 sixes. He's always performing well, Niranjan, a key player for the Gangavati Lions. Along with him was Shivam MB, scoring 32 of just 23 balls, 2 fours and 1 six. And let me tell you, Mominpura Masters, they have indeed bowled really well and restricted the Gangavati Lions to at least 30-40 runs shorter than what they expected. And doing that, Murray Baswa was the pick of the ball, picking up 3 wickets, conceding 26 runs in his 3.5 overs. And Gaurav K also chipping in with taking 2 wickets and conceding a bit higher, 49 runs in his 4 overs. So the target was set, a super Saturday, 151 runs for the Gangavati Lions. The Mominpura Master needed to chase this. They were down number 6 in the table and they wanted to win to, get the motivation done. And Mominpura Masters got a win, and 152 runs they scored, and they win by 4 wickets. The pick of the batsman for the Mominpura Masters was their opener, the star batsman Shiv Kumar, scoring 65 of 51 balls, 8 fours and 2 sixes. Apart from that, other batsmen chip in and made some quality contribution, and the ball was coming nicely onto the bat, and we had a superb last 3 overs. The audience were expecting a super over, the second super over, but it was not there, and finally the Mominpura Masters managing to win this victory, getting this victory, and Gangavati Lions also bowling really well in the death overs, and finally the Mominpura Masters winning by 4 wickets, thus securing this wonderful win. And we had player of the match. It was a discussion like who is going to be the player of the match, but due to his outstanding bowling and 2 run-outs, the jury has selected Murray Baswa as the player of the match. Murray Baswa, 3 wickets, 2 run-outs, and he will get a check of rupees 2,500 from the KBN Premier League Committee and a glittering trophy for his outstanding performance. Murray, you can come in and have a small chat. Murray, I've been seeing you apart from the ground. You've been one of the trendiest player in terms of clothing, I suggest, wearing this cap and all. I thought someone has come in from a Bangalore model or something like that, but I saw you bowling and you bowled really well. How was you feeling?
Yeah, by the way, I would like to tell thanks for the compliment, the way I dress, and today is a very good wicket, so I just bowled slow runs as much as I can, so it's worked out well.
Okay. So tell us about the runouts. You 2 runouts, so how was it?
I'm just took the ball and just hit the wickets because they are in the pressure, so it's not a big deal for me.
Okay. So wherein from here to Mominpura Masters, getting 2 points, now in 6 points position. Do you guys looking forward for the qualifiers, the top 4?
Yeah, from last 2 wins, we are getting some positive notes from the game. So I guess we'll continue the same.
Okay, all the very best. All the very best. Murray Baswa, the people's favorite, the players' favorite, I guess. And we have another prize lineup from the Chandrasekhar Hiramed Foundation. That is a t-shirt, a branded t-shirt to be given away. And that will be given away for his outstanding batting. Shiv Kumar, 65 runs, and he will get this wonderful branded t-shirt from our guest, Syed Ali Al Hussaini Sahib. A branded Adidas t-shirt from the Chandrasekhar Hiramed Foundation. Well played, Shiv Kumar. Thank you. And as you all know, we have a lucky contest by the Mass and Media Journalism Department, wherein we'll ask question to the audience. They have to pick up the correct answers. And today will be an auspicious occasion as Syed Ali Al-Hussaini Sahib himself is picking the chit. And let's see who is the winner.
It's Mamta BR from KBN.
So it's Mamta BR from KBN. So I think she's somewhere around this organization itself. So congratulations. So that is what we have here at the post-match presentation, match number 24. And it's an exciting game. The tables are open. The teams are getting excited. And now I would request the winning team to kindly come up for a photo session. Thank you so much.
Highlights of the KBN Premier League Season 7 is brought to you by Mass Construct. अपना ड्रीम हाउस बनाए Mass Construct साथ क्वालिटी, अफोर्डेबिलिटी और बेस्ट प्राइस में. कॉल करें स्क्रीन पर नंबर पर. एंड बाय धारोर मोटर्स, जहां पर आपको मिले वैरायटी ऑफ व्हीकल्स एट बेस्ट प्राइस.